Hi, welcome to Therapy Tip Tuesday. I'm Miss Madison, and you can find me in the Farmingville or Stony Brook offices. So today we're going to be talking about open-ended questions and how to ask them to your child. So parents, have you found that whenever you're asking your child a question, they're only giving you a one-word response, and all you want is all of the information possible? So the way to do this is to ask follow-up questions or to ask those open-ended questions, which means that they can provide more than one word response. So the difference between an open-ended question as well as like a closed question is the way they're asked. So if you were to ask, do you like ice cream? Their response is either going to be yes or no, and the conversation is pretty much over. So you would have to ask the follow-up question, well, what type of ice cream? Do you like sprinkles? That type of thing to get that conversation still flowing. So this is great for when school starts too, because as you know, school's right around the corner, and asking them about their day. Some kids, if not most, their response to how was your day at school is good, fine, and conversation's over, right? So you want to try and get more information, especially since you're not with them during their school day. So the way to do this is to ask them a lengthier question in the sense that, like, what was the best part of your school day? What was the least part of your school day? What did you do in school? That type of thing. So this way, they can provide more than one word response. You're increasing that MLU, which is increasing the word length of their utterance, right? And you're getting all that information. So that's one way to do it. The next is to try and eliminate those closed-ended questions. So those yes or no questions, try and eliminate, because that's kind of like end of conversation, whereas those open-ended questions allows the child to continue to maintain that conversation. They may not be able to initiate the conversation. Your question might be the one to initiate that conversation, but that's okay because we want them to learn how to maintain that conversation and to hopefully ask those questions and be able to answer those questions to their next speaking partner or the next time you ask them, right? So this would be a great practice run, especially before school starts. You can even do this with younger kids if they're in daycare or preschool to try and elicit that language and that response, and to try and let them know, like, all right, I want to know about your day, not just that one word response. All right, so thank you so much for listening and see you next time. Bye.